Hello, and this is Gopalakrishnan. I spoke to you in one episode about what intuition is, and it's a very valuable piece of what we know but don't know that we know. And to develop intuition, you have to be relying on your internal processes, mindfulness, reflection. I've described these in my book, A Case of a Bonsai Manager. But I would just draw your attention to the ImOpCoRe Cycle. Firstly, to have intuition, you must be deeply immersed in that subject, whether it is startups or steel making or software coding. Immersion, IM, is the first requirement at the 12 o'clock position of the clock. The 3 o'clock position of the clock has open-mindedness. You are exploring it with open-mindedness to acquire new knowledge, and it is stored deep in your brain. The third one is you must have ImOpCoRe. Core stands for contemplation, which is the context in which that particular knowledge works. And at the 9 o'clock position, your reflection is the way the knowledge actually transmits. So the ImOpCoRe cycle has helped me a lot to develop my intuition. Not perfect, but it's helpful.